Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to start a simple low investment car wash business. This is perfect for beginners who want steady income with minimal risk. We'll keep it small with just 1 or 2 locations and cover everything: how to start, investment, equipment, customers, and profits. Let's begin. First, decide on your model. The easiest way is a manual or semi-automatic car wash at one good location, like near a busy residential area, market, or office complex in your city. Step 1. Find a small plot or shop of 500 to 1,000 square feet with good water access and drainage. Step 2. Register your business. Get the necessary licenses and insurance. Step 3. Hire 2 to 4 reliable workers. Step 4. Start with basic services like exterior wash, interior cleaning, and optional polishing. You can begin operations in 4 to 6 weeks. Now the big question, how much investment do you need? For a small setup at one location, you can start with $4,000 to $8,000 total. This includes setup and rent deposit, equipment, and initial chemicals, marketing, and working capital. If you want even lower risk, start mobile with just $600 to $2,000 using a van or trailer. Keep numbers low, focus on one spot first, and expand to a second only after 6 months. What equipment do you need? Keep it simple. High pressure washer around $400 to $800. Wet dry vacuum cleaner $100 to $200. Foam cannon, brushes, microfiber cloths, cleaning chemicals like shampoo, wax and tire cleaner, water recycling setup, or good drainage, basic shelter, signage, and staff uniforms. Total equipment cost is around $1,500 to $3,000. Buy good quality machines so they last longer. Getting customers is easy if you do it right. Offer opening discounts like first wash at 50% off. Create packages, $10 for basic wash and $25 for interior plus polish. Use WhatsApp Business or text messaging for before-after photos and reminders. Visit nearby neighborhoods, offices, and parking areas with flyers and business cards. Partner with local mechanics, gas stations, or rideshare drivers for bulk deals. Run Google My Business and low-cost Facebook, Instagram ads. Focus on quality and speed so customers return and refer others. Finally, how much profit can you make? A small car wash doing 15 to 25 cars per day can generate $2,000 to $4,500 revenue per month. After all expenses like staff salary, electricity, water, chemicals, and rent, which come to 40–50%, you can earn net profit of $800 to $2,000 per month from one location. Many people make $1,000 to $1,500 net profit once stabilized. With 2 locations and good management, it can go much higher. Starting a car wash is one of the best small businesses right now because of constant demand, low competition if you choose location wisely, and good profits. If you're serious about starting your own car wash, comment car wash below or message me. I'll share a simple business plan template and supplier contacts to help you get started quickly. Don't wait, take action today and build your income. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.